you want to be able to see yourself in your car too and use it as a mirror, is easy. You only need to use the ceramic coating process to your car. This is what we do here. It's a one-day process, and how it works, what we do, we get rid of all your scratches in your car, we sand, we buff your car, then we apply the ceramic coating products top of your panel. It protects your car to get a stone chip, scratches and minor damages. It's between 3 or 5 years warranty with it, and it's gonna give you a beautiful glow to your car. Every time you go to the car wash, you only need to go touchless car wash, and when you get out of the car wash, this is a finishing product you're gonna have. You don't need to wax it, you don't need to clean it, especially for the winter with all the salt on the ground. Stop your car getting rusted and stuff. If you want to do this, get in touch with us at parsmotor.ca. We're here to help you guys. Thank you.